Good evening. Myself, Dr. Dilip Kumar. I am working as an associate professor in VIT Vellore. My project is given in for the IBM Cloud. It is real-time weather-based smart sprinkler systems. So in this, I am having the different tasks for that. So those tasks I have completed here. This is academic initiative accounts, create and launch Red Note, create an IBM Watson IoT model, create an account in OpenWeather Map platform. Then another task is configure and connect the online simulator sensor that I have connected with this sensor online sensor. After that, another task is to create a Node-RED flow to get data from the IBM IoT device. Then configure the Node-RED flow to store the received data in the cloud and DB. Then create a HTTP request to receive data from the mobile app. Configure the Node-RED, send the data received from the mobile app. Create a HTTP request to send the sensor data to the mobile app. The last part is to design a mobile app. Create a user interface to display the soil moisture, temperature, humidity, and also weather forecast data. Then configure the mobile app to receive data from the IBM Cloud and display it. Then configure the buttons to make HTTP request and send data to the IBM Cloud. So these are my tasks. It was given to me for in this project. So where I have completed 90% is it is from my side I have completed the task. So that's why it is coming 90%. Now it is given to the reviewer, they can review and based on that they can complete my project work. So to start this project work, what I have done, so I have to go first for the IBM dashboard and there is services. I can click here service and in service there is Internet of Things platform that I have created. So based on that, when I will click this one, I will get this yeah, this is the device which I have created. It is with the information and the information what it is showing here. You can see this is the device ID, device type. It is given this one name added by this one, and it is my email ID is given. Then recent events. If I click, I can see the things which is simulating. So this is connected to the sensors and with data I have given. Then here you can see this, the simulator, it is running the simulator, device simulator which is running. That is simulator is running here. 330 events has been sent. Then after that, I have created the red notes. So the red notes I can get from here. Again, I can go to the dashboard here. And Cloud Foundry apps, there it is red note is there. I'll open the red notes here. Now it is opening. And here you can see that widget app URL. So if I click this one, that will bring me to the Node-RED. Then go to the Node-RED for your flow editor. There, the flow which I have created the flow that you can see from there. So this is the flow with red note I have created for the weather information. So whatever that program it is that it is simulating, that can be read through these red nodes when it is connected. Okay. So if I want to see this debug, that here I can click this one. So it is running. The program is running. So it is changing. And you can see the things based on the simulator. It is running. So it is changing the values. So these things I can able to see in the UI. So for that, what I have to do? So in this case I have created the IBM input node. This is, and this is your message payload that will give the debug list. And I want to see the temperature, humidity, and soil moisture from that simulator that I can see here. So for that, what I have to do? I have to copy this link up to the net.net, copy, then I'll open new browser and paste it, and it is UI. So now if I'll click that one, then it will show me the temperature, humidity, soil moisture. Okay. So apart from this, there I have written to give the option for the motor off and motor on. So these things can be useful for the mobile application development. When I have developed the mobile application product, that can be used. And this is my Node-RED, which is, you can see this, all this temperature, humidity, soil moisture, everything is changing. Then apart from that, I have created one more flow, that is the open weather info. So that weather information which I am getting from the website, that I can read in this red note that I have shown here. So I have to disable this one now. Then I can disable this one. Then I have to click done. It is disabled. Then I have to deploy it. Then I have to open this one. This I have to enable. Then done. Deploy. So in this case, I have created the nodes to get the information from the website on the open weather information. There I have opened my user ID, and on that user ID I can get the information to get this weather or any location based on the location. Here I have created the ID, which is my name. Okay, this is my profile here. So current weather information, based on that I can take the link whichever it is given based on the city name. I can change the city name here, and this API key. So whatever the API key I have created in the service, there I can get this API key that I can put here. Then I can change the values, and those values can be we can call that values in the network. So I will call that one. Say that this is, I have to inject it. So it is injected. Now I'll copy this link here, and I want to see this current weather information of Vellore. Weather information site. So I'll paste it and UI. So now you can see this is the temperature in degree centigrade, humidity is 74. Feel like temperature is 24, but now current temperature is 22. So this I have developed in the red node. Then after that I have developed the mobile application for this to get that information, the temperature, soil moisture, and the humidity in the mobile app. So for that, what I have done, I have developed that application in this website. This is MIT App Inventor. Then when I'll create app, then it will ask to create app. Then I have already created. That's why it is available here. So it will see this block diagram here. This is a blocks I have created for this application. So when all this information whatever it is required, I have inserted. Then I have go for the design. I can go for the design here. You can see this design. This mobile app. I have designed this motor on motor app. This temperature, humidity, and the soil moisture. Now I want after developing these things, I have installed that application in my mobile.
Hey guys, आज हम आपसे कुछ काम की बात कर रहे हैं। भले काम की बात।
This is my app. I have developed that one. Reset command. This is the app, MIT app I have installed in my mobile. Then when I go here, it will ask continue without Wi-Fi. I'm not going to use the Wi-Fi. Then from this screen, I can click the connect AI companion. Then it will ask to scan the bar. So I will scan this bar, QR barcode. Then it will connect. So it is connecting now. It will display in my mobile the data. After the present. Connect. define your code. Okay, I have to close this one. I have to deploy. Enable, done. This one. Enable this one, done. Deploy. Now it will come. Disconnecting and here it is coming.